Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Italian sausage tortellini bake. With my tortellini bake, I went with a one-pot option, so there's no boiling your tortellini separately and then adding it in. Everything is cooked in just one pot. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a 6-quart Dutch oven. Add 1 diced onion and 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground Italian sausage. You can use regular Italian sausage, or you can bring the heat and use spicy Italian sausage, which is what my family likes. Cook this for 6 to 8 minutes until the sausage is all the way cooked through and the onions are softened. At this point, you want to drain any excess grease. Then you can return it to the heat and add in a tablespoon of minced garlic and let this toast for about 60 seconds. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of sugar, which of course you can leave out, but sugar is all about balancing the acidity in the tomato sauce, which is why you so commonly see it when you're making a homemade sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon each of basil and oregano, then half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a stir and bring it to a simmer if it's not already there. Then you can stir in 20 ounces of cheese tortellini. I've tested this with both the refrigerated kind and the frozen. Both work great, so choose whichever one works best for you. Turn off the heat and then gently press the tortellini down with the back of the spoon to make sure they're all submerged. Then you can sprinkle on 2 cups of shredded mozzarella and then a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. All that's left to do is bake this in the 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. The sauce should be bubbling, the cheese should be all melty and gooey, and you should be ready to eat. You can always get fancy and sprinkle on some freshly chopped parsley, or you can just serve it as is and keep it an easy weeknight meal. Cheesy pasta goodness with a homemade sauce. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.